Is it time to buy or sell Intuitive Machines stock? In this video, we will explore Intuitive Machines in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and we are here now to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 6, 2024, our system has categorized Intuitive Machines as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 17.8% since we first suggested buying Intuitive Machines 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.93% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could swing in either direction. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 69.4% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 53.52% to 109.94%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 39.5% over the upcoming year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 36.88% and 98.56%. This corresponds to a price range of $6.14 to $19.32 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intuitive Machines includes the headline, Intuitive Machines Inc. stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Intuitive Machines Inc. stock price increased by 2.21% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, rising from $9.52 to $9.73. This marks a 4-day consecutive gain. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 6.24%, with a daily low of $9.24 and a daily high of $9.82. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, and has increased by 21.78% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is worth noting that the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares on the last day, resulting in a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $131.53 million. Keep in mind that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $13.25, while the lowest was $2.09. Currently, the price is 26.57%, or $3.52, below the 52-week high, and 92.85%, or $126.27, below the all-time high that occurred on the 22nd of February, 2023, when the price peaked at $136. Intuitive Machines, trading under the symbol LUNR, is set to release its third quarter financial results on the 14th of November, 2024, before the markets open, with a conference call to follow at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Time. This announcement comes after a strong year for the company, which has experienced a remarkable 180% surge in its stock price year to date, supported by a solid backlog and strong liquidity. Recent market analyses suggest that LUNR has significant upside potential, with some estimates indicating a possible 48% increase based on Wall Street's projections. This excitement is further fueled by the company's ambitious goals, including aspirations to aid in the establishment of human settlements on the Moon, which aligns with its significant contracts with NASA. As LUNR continues to be highlighted in discussions about high-growth stocks poised for exponential returns over the next several years, investor interest is likely to remain high. The analysis of LUNR within the context of other innovative companies in the space sector suggests that it may attract a speculative but optimistic investment sentiment. In the short term, anticipation surrounding the upcoming financial results could drive volatility in the stock price as investors react to performance metrics. In the long term, if the company successfully capitalizes on its contracts and executes its visionary projects, it could secure a strong position in the aerospace sector, potentially leading to sustained growth and value appreciation in its stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned a buy grade to LUNR, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Canaccord Genuity also assigned a buy grade to LUNR with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark reported a buy grade for LUNR, along with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 28th of June, 2024, B. Riley had given LUNR a buy grade with an initialize action. Furthermore, on Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Canaccord Genuity again assigned a buy grade to LUNR with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intuitive Machines stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines, Incorporated, exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $8.39 and $7.98. Should the stock drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, October 9th, 2024, with the stock rising by 36.66% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning sign. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock has average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.57 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.24%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intuitive Machines, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 12 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intuitive Machines. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and utilizing volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Intuitive Machines encounters its first support level at $9.28. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intuitive Machines from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Ghaffari and Kamal Sayed, who bought and sold 1,055,829 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.506. In total, insiders purchased 6,142,554 shares and sold 20,494,406 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.37, reflecting a decline of 3.69%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Intuitive Machines stock a good buy? Intuitive Machines, Inc. holds several positive signals, yet we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate that Intuitive Machines will open lower, with a decrease of approximately 13.2 cents, starting at $9.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.